Hello everyone, this is Hitechtalk. So in this video, I will show you how to protect yourself in Instagram. Like if someone is disturbing you or anything, you can block them or restrict them. But what if a bulk of users, like if you have a good number of followers and you posted something that is fine as per Instagram guidelines, but people are not liking and they started saying some unwanted words or something. So how to protect yourself from such people in Instagram? So Instagram have added a new feature, so I will show you in my mobile screen how to enable this. So open your Instagram account and click on this three line on the top right, and you will see the option as settings and privacy. Click on this one and you need to scroll down and you will see the option as limited interaction. Just click on this one. So here you can read, like you can take the screenshot and you can read this: limit unwanted interaction. If you feel like you are being harassed, or you can temporarily limit unwanted comments and messages. So you can read this in a details and you have to click on continue. So here you can see the account that aren't following you and the recent followers. So this restriction will apply to all and you need to click on turn on. So this will enable and this will help you to get, this will stop people sending unwanted messages, unwanted comments, or this type of things. So Instagram will automatically hide it, or if Instagram will think this can be a useful, then they can send you a approval request. So only after your approval that comment will be visible publicly. So I hope you will find this video useful. Thank you.